What's up? What's up? We are back. Let's fix this camera. All right. Perfect. We are back with another breakdown. This time we're going to take a look at ETH since the Forex market's closed right now. Look at any potential opportunities on ETH. And as always, we're looking at the higher time frames first. All right. We had a bearish close for December, hitting this resistance area. As you can see, they pulled liquidity here. Okay, pulled the liquidity from March's high, pulled the liquidity, and it looks like if you scale down to a weekly time frame that we may be stuck in some form of a range. So we could be ping-ponging for quite some time, which I don't believe we will come back down to 2000 or 2200 area, but everything's possible. So I wouldn't leave that off the table. What I would like to point out is this level here. Right, there's a level of some type of support here, which could, I mean, if anyone does patterns, right, you got a little kind of head and shoulders pattern. We could test this level and then go up higher. That is a probability. Okay, very probable to come down to the 2900, 2940 area, giving us this inverted head and shoulders to continue higher. Then finally taking out its all-time high of 4800 or 4900. Okay, let's go scale down and I'll tell you what I'll be waiting for. While I have this here, I'm going to put an alert here because I am going to scale down to the lower time frame, and I'm going to look for opportunity, an early opportunity if it presents itself. However, my heavier positions will come in here. Most likely I'll do some spot investing down here and then leverage trade the rest if there's an opportunity. But let's get rid of this for now. Again, we're playing a range. I'll keep that here as well. Taking a look at the H4 time frame. Well, let's go into the daily really quickly. Okay, so we double topped here. We did break, got a new leg, lower low leg. All right. Got this lower low that spiked down here, came up, lower high. I'll also put this here in case we get a push back higher. We may see something like this until Trump is in office, something like that. Those are all probabilities that can happen, but I'm going to scale into the H4 time frame because I'd like to point something out here. Okay, we had this lower high point here on the H4. Nice impulse move here. If you look here, they were not able to clear this level. Okay, they were not able to clear this level, so we got this nice extra impulse down. However, this impulse did not go lower than this previous lower low level. So, and it looks to me that they've taken out liquidity in this area here, as well as this area here. Okay, so this level has been taken out, retested, and went further down. So let's get rid of this. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got the sweep below these stop levels here. For anyone that was long early, came down, gave us a lower high, and looks to be creating some type of support here. So if I am going to look for an early entry, I'm going to wait for this level here to break out. Again, with volume, if the average volume looks like this up here, or even possibly here, all right, I would look for early entries. Again, not anything heavy. I'll play my stops like this, and I will target this trend line here for like a 1 to 2. Okay, that will be, I would probably do like a 0.5% of my portfolio to look for entries here, because obviously there's still a lot of bearish momentum here overall. And then we still have this level down here at the 2900. Okay, as far as a trade, again, I would like to see something like this. An early entry would be a nice bullish candle closing above with volume. If you don't like that, you can always wait for the retest of this level and then go higher from there. Something like that. That's what I got for now. I'll play it by ear. Again, everything, I'll let the market show its hands. I'm not going to try to predict what the market's going to do. So that's what I have for ETH at the moment. Overall, it does look good. It's very quiet. Trump comes in office on the 20th, which is 9 days from now, at the end of the week. So it may be quiet. It may consolidate here, come lower, test these levels. If we do test these levels, I'm definitely going to look for buys down here, a little heavier than 0.5% of my portfolio. Okay, but this is my breakdown for ETH, and then I'll keep you guys updated as well. Again, keeping these videos nice, short, and sweet, and to the point. See you guys.